Hi, it's Christina from ChristinaPiccoli.com, and I wanted to welcome you to my outside office. This is also known as my deck. So sorry if there's cars going by. It's a little bit loud, but this is where I love to work, especially on a sunny day. And you might hear my dog barking. Sorry about that. Today we are going to take a look at website ATM. We're going to decide if a website ATM is a scam or if it's legit. So the first thing that I noticed when I went on the site or I went on the sales page of the site, and it says, want to make $500 a day? Here's a bigger one. Want to make $500 a day, and then you can get serious cash to flood into your bank account 24/7, 365. Now, according to their sales video, in order to make $500 a day, all you have to do is hit a button, and then it just automatically goes right into your bank account. Now, if this were true, I would be the first one in line to sign up for this. But you know what they say. It sounds too good to be true. I think we talked about that in my last video, but that is a true statement. So website ATM, over here we have some testimonials, and I believe that these guys are from some sort of freelancer website. Usually it's from Fiverr.com. I didn't see them in there, but I'm sure that they were hired from somewhere because they are making some crazy statements. Like this guy says he made in 3 days almost $600. That's just not even really possible. It takes time to learn how to do a system or even learn how to do online marketing. It takes time to learn the skills, to practice, to do what you need to do in order to actually create an income from that. Here's another interesting little thing. So sometimes you go on these sales pages and you see these pop-ups like this, and they say that, you know, so-and-so has just joined or is making money, but this is just a script. It's not real. You can see that this guy, he's just a stock photo image, and he gets used everywhere. One thing I like to mention with these kind of make money sites, if they're using fake testimonials, to me that's a big red flag, because if the product was actually good, it would be so easy to find real testimonials. So right away I'm like, no, this product doesn't work. So how does website ATM work? Now the thing is, with this one, I didn't actually purchase it and go in and take a look. My best guess is that it's very similar to these other websites that I have reviewed, and what you might get is a copy and paste kind of website where you already have offers in there. Now the downside to that, and I actually put it down here, so let me show you. So done for you websites, why I think they're not a good idea. Number one, if the owner decides to close up shop or get shut down, you'll lose your entire website. They're not unique, so Google is not going to rank a site that's not unique. And if Google doesn't rank it, or if the other search engines don't rank it, then that means you are not going to get free traffic. If you don't get free traffic, that means you have to get paid traffic, and then that can be quite costly, especially if you don't know what you're doing. I mean, it takes a lot of money just to test things and see what works. And then your site isn't going to look very professional or trustworthy, and people aren't even likely to buy from it anyway. So do I think website ATM is a scam? The thing is, because I didn't buy it, I'm not comfortable calling it a scam, because I would like to actually go through and see what's in there and see what happens. My guess is too that you do get something for your money, so I wouldn't say that it's a total scam. I don't recommend it though. It's just not going to be a good idea to get a website that you copy from somebody else. Also, I don't like all the red flags in the sales copy. It's just not a trustworthy product. So here I have the pro. The only pro is that there's a 60-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can get your money back. The cons are, you know, saying that you can make $500 a day. You can make that eventually, but it takes time. using fake testimonials. Once you sign up with this, you're going to get bombarded with marketing offers. That's just how it goes. That's probably their main objective with this. We don't know who the site owner is, so we don't know what they're about or why they're doing this. And then one of the worst ones is saying that you don't have to do any work. That's crazy. Of course you're going to have to do work in order to make money online. It doesn't just fall out of the sky. You can't just push a button. Sorry. So what I recommend is to create your own website, have control of your income by creating your own website. It's not that hard. I created my website that you see here through step-by-step training through Wealthy Affiliate, and I will leave a link below to that website. They offer not only step-by-step training, but you also can host your sites with them, so you get web hosting included with the cost of the premium membership. Now you can start as a free member just to make sure that you like it, and you can stay a free member as long as you like. I don't recommend it just because you're going to get stopped somewhere along the way. You're not going to have enough information to really create a full-time income. But I do recommend that you forget about these push-button systems and learn how to do it on your own. If I can do it, I know you can do it, because I know I'm not that smart, I'm not techie, and I'm able to do it no problem through the training, through Wealthy Affiliate, and also with the community help that we have there. So once again, I wouldn't say website ATM is a scam, but I wouldn't recommend it. And I will leave a link for you below for Wealthy Affiliate, which I do recommend highly. Until next time, thank you. Bye.